with the price of these fucking things skyrocketing every week, the birds are eating me out of house and home. The shit's become unattainable. Do the math. I was buying 10 to 12 of these 3 times a week at a price range of anything from $1.90 to $3. It was costing me over $90 a week. And that's not calculating the price of meat. Don't get me started on this shit. I didn't mention this magpie loves the crap. Too expensive for you, buddy. I've been reduced to buying the most generic shit I can get my hands on, and I just bake the birds these cheap cakes with raisin mix and pre-packed garbage like that. The best one I have baked so far is this banana bread. I did a lemon one yesterday and it burnt to hell because of the sugar and the cooking methods I employ. I want to go and show you the best gadget I ever purchased. In the beginning, I was cooking them on this flat pan, and we're so cheap, we didn't have an egg flipper. I was flipping the fuckers with a cheese grater or this motherfucker right here, and you'd put the dough on, put this on, flip it, pull out half the cake would be here and the rest would seep through that, and then there was this. Get what I'm saying? It doesn't take a scientist to figure out what this does. Pour in the batter, seal it, get it, cook it on that, get it, flip it, flip it. It actually smells excellent for Homebrand. Raisin mix. Substitute the butter with cooking oil. The sultana cake, I put 2 in. This is why my cakes burn. I can't nail the hot temperature adjustments just yet. Has anyone ever seen a spaghetti squash before? That's it. I don't even know how to cook it. Oops, and 300 mils of water.
Can't you think of something more tougher to say than whoops?
Does anyone remember in the late 70s and early 80s, those waxy boxes the lettuces used to come in? It's a natural fire lighter. Back in the day, they were laced with either, was it lead or asbestos? It still burns good today. I bought all this cheap shit wood the other day, yet I stole some of this good stuff that's brilliant, excellent. The fire's being prepared. You gotta grab 3 of these. They're not good quality. They're actually, they bounce. Oh, normally they take a few whacks. Just give him a little whack. Who says that? I forget who says that. We'll just give him a little. Texas Chainsaw Massacre. How forgetful of me. And it's shit when they crumble like that one. This new wood smokes something terrible. You should have seen yesterday's debacle. Poor quality, man. Stay away from that garbage right there. You can reuse the baking paper. That's yesterday's lemon cake. I just throw all the old shit and burn it. Tip this bastard in here, and as soon as that goes out, we'll pop it on. Fire nearly extinguished. Baking paper enabled. That's like Empire Strikes Back. Wait till this dies out and we'll pop it straight on. But I want to elevate it because I haven't nailed the friggin' temperature levels. It's way too hot. You be careful there. There's nothing more tranquil than lighting fires. Goddamn ibis. I light this every day now. The highlight of my day is baking cakes for birds that aren't even ours. But just something about a fire. I find peace and tranquility in lighting fires. Heat is out. Okay, let's talk elevation. It is way too hot to pop that straight on there. So I get as many of these as I can. There's 3 there. I need more actually. I even used an egg ring a while back. 2 of these, but the egg ring was making it unbalanced, and I found this one a while back. If I put that on now, it's still gonna burn it. And you know, these things, the charcoal, the round things, they go out too quickly, so I can't balance the timing of the fire. It's way too hot now. I normally just keep flipping it, but you can take that off and let it die down, but they go out way too quickly. They crumble and turn to ash. See, you can't win. It's potluck if you burn that or not. And so you just keep flipping it and flipping it. And this one here, he watches me like a hawk. This year's sweet peas are a little bit underdone along here, and this shouldn't be happening so early in the season. It's gone to seed already. Why? Oh yeah, and not that it matters, but Disney's Ding Jarhead and Baby Gremlin, Mortal Kombat 2, all that new He-Man Masters of the Universe bullshit. Fuck it to hell, I'm not even watching it. I've got Serbian peach juice and I'm multitasking. Ugh, that thing, it gets heavier the more it cooks. I've even got my dinner here, which is going cold and will attract outside sources. Look at the hounds harassing me. I was just going to say I'm surprised that stupid magpie's not here getting in on the act. He is. So this has been on for about 40 or 50 minutes and I haven't checked it yet. Here it goes. Come here. How's that look? Texture a little bit soft here. Let's flip it and check the other side. Ready? Yeah. Want to have a look at it? You know what? That is cooked to perfection. Nailed it. God damn. Look at that. It looks like a butter cake. Put a bit of caramel topping on that, and it smells divine. Just a little bit burnt there, but cooked perfect. What is it? You got to pull it out, and yeah, there's a little bit of moisture, so that means it's a little bit wet in there, but I'd say that's cooked. I have to put them in this bird bath because the hot cakes are killing the grass. See what they did? You can see how they killed the grass. they'll all squabble and fight over that, especially if them green ones come. Another day and a different creation of nourishment. That would be a date loaf. What do you want? Even the cat eats it. You're on death row, boy. He's got squeamish on that ear there and on his nose. Watch this. Freshly baked. Perfect on that side. A little bit burnt on the other. And that would be a gluten-free banana bread. I'm yet to cook them a carrot cake or a cinnamon sponge. For some reason the greenies, they like chocolate cake. Do you like cake? Do you like cake? She actually licked a peanut one. I put 3/4 of a jar of peanut butter in one and she licked all the oil off it and it smelled delicious.